Dear students, my name is Avinash. Today we are going to discuss biotelemetry, which is the sixth unit of medical electronics. So let's start with introduction. Before moving to biotelemetry, we should know what is telemetry. Telemetry is the automatic measurement and transmission of data from remote sources. For example, climate telemetry. In this climate telemetry, different sensors are used to monitor and measure temperature, humidity of environment, and then the collected data is transmitted to the application over a distance. The same concept also used in medical field, in which different biological parameters are measured and transmitted to an observer. If you observe, the word biotelemetry consists of two parts, that is bio and telemetry. The word bio is related to living being or a process occurring in human body, and as we know, telemetry is the measurement at a distance, and hence we can say that biotelemetry is a method of measuring biological parameters over a distance. We can also define biotelemetry as a communication between living system and an observer. Biotelemetry is the communication between a living system and an observer. Hence, here living system is the human or an animal, and observer is a medical practitioner. Nowadays, it is possible to apply biotelemetry to almost all kind of biological measurements like ECG, EMG, EEG, blood pressure, temperature measurements, and so on. So, these collected data can be transmitted using telephone links or a radio transmission line. Okay. Now, let's see what are the applications of biotelemetry. I have listed here some of the applications. In that, first one is monitoring patients in the hospital from a remote location. Okay. Now, let us consider a patient is admitted in a hospital, and to that patient different sensors like temperature sensor, blood pressure sensor, ECG machine, etc. are attached. Okay, any medical practitioner or any doctor can easily access the data over a telephone lines or a radio links from any remotest corner of the world easily. Okay, that is the first application. Similarly, the second one is the astronauts in the space are kept under the medical supervision or medical investigation using biotelemetry. And the next one is, and next application is, even the biotelemetry is used to measure the different biological parameters of animal in natural conditions. Now, moving to the next concept, that is elements and principles of biotelemetry system. In this concept, we are going to learn about elements of biotelemetry and also learn about working principle of biotelemetry system. Here, in this slide, we have a simple block diagram which indicates all the elements of biotelemetry system. As shown in the diagram, elements of the biotelemetry systems are biological signal, transducer, signal conditioner, transmission link, and lastly readout devices. Now let's study all these elements in detail. The first one is biological signal. A signal which is collected from human body or living system are known as biological signals. For example, ECG signal, that is electrocardiogram signal, EEG, EMG signals. Okay. The second element is transducer. Transducer is used to collect the biological signal. Example for the transducer is electrode. Electrodes are used to collect the biological signals. Okay. The third element is signal conditioner. Once the signals are collected, these signals need to be converted into another electronic form which is suitable for the transmission. Hence, we can define a signal conditioner is a device that converts one type of electronic signal into another type which is suitable for the transmission. Even this signal conditioner is also used to amplify the collected biological signals before transmission. Okay. The next one is transmission link. Transmission link is a media through which collected data can be transferred. For this purpose, for transmission purpose, telephonic lines or radio links can be used. The last element is readout device. Readout devices are the end point of biotelemetry system. These readout devices may reside at an observer. For example, example for the readout devices is video recorders, mobile phones, computers, or even CROs. Okay, this is all the elements of biotelemetry system. Now we try to summarize the working principle of biotelemetry system. Okay, we start from this biological signal. Any signal which are originated from human body or from living being are known as a biological signal. For example, ECG. Okay, let us assume that we want to transmit these biological signal to an observer who are in a remote area. For that, first we need to collect the signals from the human body. Okay, this can be done using the transducer. Example for the transducer is electrode. Okay, once these signals are collected, they are converted into electrical form which are suitable for the transmission by using this signal conditioner. Okay, and before transmitting those signals, again they are amplified with the help of this signal conditioner. Okay, now these signals are transmitted over a transmission link. Okay, at the other end of the system, readout devices are used to read the data. Move to the next concept. Next concept is radio telemetry system. Here in this slide we have a simple block diagram of typical radio telemetry system. This concept is very similar to the previous concept what we just studied. As shown in the figure, a radio telemetry system consists of a sender part and the receiver part. In the sender part, we have the elements like biosignal source, transducer, signal conditioner, and radio transmitter. As we know, signals which are originated from human being are referred as biological signals. Okay, these signals are picked up using the transducer, and these collected signals are amplified and converted into another form which is suitable for the transmission by using the signal conditioner. Now, using this radio transmitter, signals are transferred over a radio link to the remote area. This is the sender part. Now, coming to the receiver part, at the receiver, we have the radio receiver which receives the radio signal and the signal conditioner which is used to convert the signal that is suitable to drive the display. The display may be a computer or a laptop or a CRO or a mobile phone, that is etc. I hope these concepts are clear for you. Thank you.